Hey everybody, welcome back to the manual. If you're new here, I'm Dan, and today I've got something super exciting for you. I've got the Major Fitness all-in-one home gym system, the B52. And whether you're a novice or a seasoned pro, we're gonna take it through its paces and see if it's the right thing for you. So let's dive in. All right, as you can tell, we've cleared out all of our old gym equipment, moved it out of the way, so we have plenty of space to figure out where we're gonna put the B52. Once I figured that out, we'll start unboxing and show you the assembly. As you can see, we've got the B52 all set up, fully assembled. Up next is to describe the 5 key systems that this thing comes with. First up is the Smith machine. Second is the power rack with 14 different adjustment systems here. It comes with the J-hook, etc. We have the pulley system. We also have the multi-grip pull-up bar. And then finally, we have a full 360 landmine. All right, real quick, let's pause. I'm gonna ask you to smash that like button if you're enjoying this video. Don't forget to subscribe and sign up for notifications. Really appreciate your support. All right, so first we'll talk about the Smith machine. There's a lot of different adjustable heights here in the frame. It's really well made. It feels pretty fluid here with the bar going up and down. Obviously locking it into these positions is fairly simple. One thing that I would caution people about is I'm pretty short, I'm only 5'3", and as you can see as I demonstrate here, I can reach the very top doing an overhead press, but people that are a little bit taller will not be able to without sitting down on a bench of some kind. So that's one thing to be aware of. Otherwise, it's very fluid in the movement, super easy to use. The Smith machine is meant to be a safe way of doing squats or presses of any kind, so that if you're doing it alone and you're doing something heavy, it's a little bit safer to do, and also makes it a little bit easier on your core or supporting muscles because you're limited in terms of motion, only going up and down. All right, in terms of the power rack feature, there are 14 positions here, actually numbered from 3 up to 12, but obviously 2 more spots up here. Basic usage, just like any other power rack, you have these attachments that slide in pretty simply, just from the side, boom. You've got, this is for the bar. Comes with a couple other attachments that I'll go through, but other than that, it's pretty basic. It's very sturdy again. This whole cage is not needing to be bolted into the ground. Sturdy, made from great tube steel, and isn't gonna move anywhere. It'll support up to 1,000 pounds. One of the major features of the B52 is the pulley system. If you're unaware of what a pulley system can do, it's super versatile. So many exercises you can do. This alone, to me, is a major benefit. So you have 17 different positions you can put this in, from the very top to the very bottom. It's super easy to maneuver. This is spring loaded, so you just pull this out and then you can move it to another position, locks in place. And then for added safety, you can screw this tight to ensure that this will not move at all while you're exercising. Now, this uses a 2-to-1 ratio pulley system, and you have your weights that you can add down here, so that when you do an exercise, that is where your weight is coming from. The motion on this is very fluid, glides super simple, and then you have various attachments that you can use with the pulley system that the B52 comes with, like these handle grips, but you also have back here these hooks that you can then attach your other bars and accessories to use within the pulley system. It comes with these 2 bars and then 2 of these handles. All right, so also that comes with the power rack are these dip attachment accessories. They come with the system. So no worry about having to pay any additional money. And obviously you can adjust these up and down within the power rack, depending on your height. I think it's pretty awesome because again, this replaces if you happen to have a dip bar of any kind, and it goes along well with up here, your pull up, which is not removable, but it's very sturdy and obviously different types of grips that you can use. All right, one of the primary features of the B52 is this Landmine 360 attachment that you have. You get a normal barbell and you can attach it real easily through the screw here. And it comes with this T-bar attachment, which is really nice and handy. And then obviously we'll demonstrate a quick exercise on how we use this. But again, it can move in any direction. Makes it very simple where if you have multiple people working out, you're not in each other's way. The B52 does have several accessories you can buy on Major Fitness's website, one of them being a knee extension seat for the cage here, attaches to the post. Another thing that I'm super excited for that is coming soon is a weight system for the cable pulley where you're not having to use free weights here. It actually will attach to the cable pulley system back here and allows you to do like a typical gym that you would go to, adjust different weights through pins on the side. Now that we've put it all together, I want to give you guys my final thoughts, conclusion on the Major Fitness all-in-one home gym system B52. It's quite a lot of words in my mouth, but the build quality is really solid. I'm impressed with it. It did take a while for us to put this together. It was pretty much all day yesterday, 4 of us putting it together. I'd say about 4 to 5 hours. The instructions were pretty good, I would say. I highly recommend you use the video that I'll link below in the description with the instructions printed out on paper. There was a few things, I think maybe 2 or 3, where we were confused because it wasn't included in the paperwork, but it was shown in the video. And obviously, with a system like this, there are a ton of exercises you can do. It really makes the cost worth it. It provides a great value if you're looking for an all-in-one home system. It doesn't take too much space up. It fits well. Again, it's heavy, so it's not needing to be bolted into the ground like some other cages. And it just has pretty good quality around ease of use. And I highly recommend it. It's a great product. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. We'll see you soon. Yeah, you better.